Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, I'm hopping on really quickly and off schedule because I've gotten so many requests for a more masculine paper crafting kit. So I sat down last night and I put one together, and it is going on sale today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time along with the June paper crafting kit. The June paper crafting kit, as you know, is all about the pink. Well, the more masculine paper crafting kit really is just that. It's filled with things that you've seen me use on the channel, so nothing in this kit is new to my channel. Everything that I have in the kit I've used on the channel. So I'm going to flip to my overhead so that I can give you a look at this particular kit. So here it is at an overall glance. One of the things that I want you to know about this kit is that it has more papers in it than any kit that I've offered, and the papers in this kit are vintage and in some cases obsolete. So I think you're going to enjoy the walkthrough on this kit. I have removed everything from the kit. We're going to start with the accessories and then we'll move to the papers. So on the accessories, you're going to receive 36 inches of beautiful satin chocolate ribbon, some Velcro dots, as well as some little puffy dots. Then you're going to have a pack of those metals that I love to use when I'm doing masculine crafting. So we have some of the metal gears as well as one of the door knockers. You guys know that I love putting these on those projects when I'm making something more masculine. So we'll have those. Then we're going to have a small pack of ephemera. The ephemera will vary from kit to kit. Then we're going to have a very small pack of Project Life type cards. These cards are designed to work with the kit itself. And then we have a small sticker sheet that will go with this as well. And then I have a pack of Dollar Tree stickers that are more masculine themed. So this pack of stickers will vary from kit to kit. So some of these items will vary from kit to kit. This will be consistent. This will be consistent. Your chocolate ribbon and Velcro dots will be consistent. These puffies might be different, and your ephemera and Project Life type cards will be different from kit to kit as well. Then I have some rope. We'll have 1 feet of that, and some beautiful masculine burlap flowers. These will be consistent from kit to kit. All right, and then your kit's going to include 1 regular size composition book and a 3-pack of the mini composition books. You've seen me use these on the channel very recently, and I use these all the time. So I have plenty of videos out there in ways that you can use these. And then I have some paper bags, and I will be doing some paper bag crafting, but I have some paper bag crafts already in my video library. You can look those up, but I thought they would be a great addition to this kit. Then we have 2 pieces of the medium weight chipboard that you guys see me use on the channel all the time. And then I have 2 pieces of cinnamon cardstock. So you have 2 pieces of chipboard, 2 pieces of cinnamon cardstock. But here comes the best of all. In this kit, I have 10 pieces of double-sided cardstock, top quality double-sided cardstock. And like I said, some of this cardstock is vintage and obsolete. You can search the internet if you want, but a lot of this you're not going to be able to find. So I'm going to walk you through, show you the front and the back. You'll get 2 of each patterns. So on this sheet, we have a bulldog that's striking a pose, and we have some rose gold flowers. On the back, we have this. On this sheet, we have this beautiful print, and here is the beautiful paisley backside. Hopefully you can see that. Here we have this beautiful, beautiful masculine plaid, and on the back side we have pinstripes. Then we have a polka dotted page, polka dots front and back. So on this side you have brown with cream colored polka dots, and then on this side you have a brown on brown polka dot. So you can use this either way. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then here is my favorite masculine paper to work with. I have used this on numerous occasions in my Father's Day crafting and masculine crafting. I love this particular paper. It has beautiful rose gold pinstripes. I don't know how this is showing up on camera, how well it's showing up, but y'all, it's beautiful. And then on the back, we have tools. So we have 2 of each pattern in this kit, y'all. It is full of beautiful papers that you can use for masculine crafting. So when I say any season, any reason, anyone, this is what I'm talking about, because you can take most of the crafts that I've done and use these papers as substitutes to get a more masculine feel. So here by request is that masculine paper crafting kit. Here's the catch though. I only have 5 of these. I only had enough paper to be able to do 5 of these kits. I didn't want to totally deplete the paper that I have in my vault of these, so I'm only able to release enough of these papers to do 5 kits. So I have a strong feeling that these kits are going to sell out. So if you're interested, head on out to my website at 4 p.m. today, May 25th, and grab your masculine paper crafting kit. I am going to try to offer a few masculine kits every time I put out a monthly kit, but this is my first one, and y'all, it is gorgeous. So for those of you who've requested that I put one of these together, thank you, because I had a lot of fun doing it. And for those of you who are interested, it'll be on sale on my website at 4 p.m. Eastern Time today. Thank you all so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for showing up. As always, y'all, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.